Let's take a look how we can use the round tool to actually round all edges of this object at once, which is the main function for the round tool in contrast, for example, to the surface fillet tool. So you can click the round tool, click on an edge, and what you see there is a radius describer as well as a marker where you want to position that radius. You can also click a radius, type in 30, and it sets the radius. For example, you can click on all these edges and you see that it adds then those radii with the same value you predefined. Let's click build. Then you will see, for example, the result. Now there are those interesting corner icons. This actually means we have a triangular shape split by 3 surfaces. If we click one time, we get, for example, an hexagon. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 surfaces with rounded inner corners. If we click one more time, we get just a triangular surface, no subdivision. And then there, for example, we're back. You can set those, for example, for all objects. And we can also set the value for each radius differently. So we can click, type maybe 15, 15, and here 15, and click 15, build. Now you see we created a transition where the bottom edges of this box are actually using 15 as a value, while actually the others remain using 30. Let's move all these points down. Try to rotate your view so you always see those handles quite clearly. To add another value, so another radius, for example, we can simply click on an edge, move this one up, click this one, and maybe type in 15. Let's press build. And you see actually that this is a variable radius. So this edge gets 1 uniform radius. This edge gets 2, a bigger one and a smaller one. Let's add one more 2, maybe there. And we can even make something like this. So from here 30 to 15, continuing 15. So wherever we have this point positioned, that is where those two values are being blended together. Okay, let's click revert. Because I would like to show you what happens if, for example, we only click those edges. So there we're actually only rounding those corners. We can also, for example, round those parts. You can even have interesting things like a mix of multiples, if desired. To undo everything, you can just click revert. And that's pretty much how the round tool works. Now I forgot actually to mention that you also can, for example, add curves and radiuses. Click build. And if you would like to redo the set, you click revert, shift click on an edge, and that edge is being removed.